Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running. Never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. We're
Estamos con Julio Saroba, ganador de la carrera de la Floresta, 7K. Julio, ¿cómo estuvo esa carrera?
Mirá, la carrera estuvo un poco dura por el calor que está haciendo y se hizo un poco dura también por los competidores. Estaba Roberto Pierre y Oscar Cáceres y fue peleada hasta el último kilómetro.
Me contaba Roberto que te escapaste ahí a lo último.
Sí, les hice ahí un pequeño cambio que me dio para llegar primero a la meta.
Bueno, felicitaciones Julio y vamos arriba.
Bueno, muchas gracias.